Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Just feel the place. And here is the national anthem of Norway. Quite some performance, and now here comes the response. There are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Yes, Peter, it's a shame it's only a friendly, but then again, that may help us see a more expressive attacking contest. And I'd be prepared to settle for a clash of lesser intensity in favour of lots of flair, skill and plenty of tricks and a few goals. I suspect I've probably overstretched my level of greed here.
That gets things running. Solskjaer. Goalkeeper's ball. Whittingham. He's got it on the right now. What's on? Could cross it here. Defending of the desperate variety. And the defence can get it clear. Cole. He goes long. And he's there to clear it. Great run on the overlap here. Taps it into the area. Last-ditch defending, but that'll... Oh, shooting chance! Away from immediate danger. And for a moment, time stood still. Plays it out to the wing. That looks a good ball. And out it comes again. Hoists it forward. Cuts it out. Davis. Low. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Hoists it high. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Try cutting inside here. Not one of his best. Tries to get it forward quickly. Brandao. Tries to dink it in. Here's the cross. Some are shouting for a corner, but the referee says goal kick. Forward it goes. Whittingham. Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, both sides seem happy with the patient approach for now, still trying to have a good look at one another.
He can get that clear. Davis. And it's played forward. And he's made sure that that won't get through. Forward it goes. Brandao. So a third of the match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. Footing. Well, that looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
And that's been levered clear. Fine stop from the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
In for a header. Decent enough try.
Good effort. Very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work, though.
Tried to play it through.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Low. Caro. Gorgeous control there. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Shoots!
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
All the way back and they start again. Cole. And he's there to hoof it away. Ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw. Low. Tries to get it forward quickly. Hoists it forward. Plays a clever pass. Can he deliver? And they've been caught out here. He's gone for it. It's in!
It's a keeper's nightmare, Peter. He just couldn't pick up on it until it was way too late, having so many bodies in front of him.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Rice. Crosses it in.
There's been quite a few crosses coming in from that left-hand side. No doubt this is an area they've identified as a potential weakness in their opposition, and they're willing to exploit it. Well, this poses the defence a few tricky questions, and the answers have to be hard and fast.
Lobs it in gently. Well, they could break here. Decent looking ball. He's had a go! Really well taken goal. Hot knife through butter. They have done it again. Oh, whose goal is that? Big deflection. That's one for the dubious goals panel. Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Flow. Tries to get it forward quickly. He's played him through. He gets past his man. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Oh, that's a booking, always looked in. The players are making their point, but the ref clearly isn't interested. He's waved them all away.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
He's gone for it! And it's been taken short. Low. A chance to play it in. And it's hoisted clear. And now the breakaway. Looks to clip it forward. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Time to deliver. Out to the left it goes. And he's there to clear it. Keeper sends it forward. Rice. Ball's out on the left now. Has a pop! Same again, same outcome.
Norway really are in the ascendancy here, and they know they have to register while that's the case.
Brandao, and it's played forward. Flo. What a ball this has turned out to be. Low. Cole. Forward pass. Rice. And the shot! Oh, that was no routine save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Davis goes direct to the front line. Forward it goes. Boyd. So who's he picking out? Tries to get it clear. Hoists it forward. Brandao. Flo. Solskjaer plays it out to the flank. Has it out wide now. Knocks it away. Plenty waiting in the middle. Solskjaer! The half-time whistle goes. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Jamaica just didn't want the half-time whistle to be blown. Convincing and controlled.
Substitutions taking place.
So off we go once more. Brandao. Solskjaer. Flo. Rice. Has a look and place it in. Berg tries to get it forward quickly. Low, and the counter is on. Gardner has brushed off the ball there. Now a chance to break. Gets into some space. Gets up to head it! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
strong punch. Chance! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Played it short. Shot at goal! Clears it out of harm's way. And it's played forward. And the finish! It's in! The second half off to a spectacular start. Oh, a goal of real quality. He made it look ridiculously easy.
Ah, you've got to love that. Concentration, conviction, contact, and sheer class.
After 52 minutes, it is 1-11.
We have got ourselves a game here.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
Good run down the left. What can they make of it? He could be in here. He's gone for it! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Solskjaer tries to stroke it through. Oh, he'd have done well to reach that. Berg. Forward it goes. Solskjaer. Tries lifting it over. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Brandao finds himself eased off the ball. Tries to get it forward quickly. The better of his opposite number. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Tries a shot! And that wasn't far away.
Oh, and it's such a good effort. Maybe the target really should have been hit.
The attendance for this match was 80,114.
Shelton. De La Peña. What an adventurous run from a defender. Cleared away. They get a throw in. Norway have turned to their bench and we're going to have a substitution.
Substitution in progress.
Another chance from a corner. Defending of the desperate variety. There were better options before the ball was lost. Easy to say from up here, I know. Dashing forward at pace. Gardner. There are a few waiting for it. Well, that goal really has stirred things up. Well, that's pretty clear, it is a foul. Yellow or red? It is red. Players protesting furiously, but there's little or no sympathy from the ref. Norway are down to 10 men. He's trying the shot. Solskjaer. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Cole. That's a hit! And in it goes! 2 up now, and they are cruising.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
After 67 minutes is number 23.
So the lead now is 2.
Well, everything is going to plan, Peter. A day for a regular managerial heartbeat, at least for one.
Berg hoists it forward. Low. Talk about singling someone out.
Yeah, his instinct and the timing of his runs have proven fruitful, but
Has a hit! They are rampant! And the lead is 3! It is surely done! That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
I think he just thought about trying his luck from further out there, but why bother when you can worm your way through a defence like that? It's terrific play to get through and score.
Snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
So now the difference is 3.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Nicely measured pass. Not offside that time. Time for a change in personnel.
Substitution on the field. Number 16. Number 17.
Gets it
On
upfield.
the field. Number
Gets
8.
it back.
Number 7.
Boyd. Solskjaer. The referee's awarded a free kick. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. shot! Sticks it away!
And the number goal today is, after 72 minutes, is number 9.
So, just a consolation, or is there a way back from here? Gardner. That's a throw. Solskjaer. Berg. Rice. It's on a plate. And he just whacks it away. Defenders on the back foot. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Berg. And it's played forward. Out again for a throw-in. Young. Gunnarsson. Tries to get it forward quickly. Shelton. Young. Into the channel. It's a goal kick. Rice. Flo. Rice. Kicks it out wide. In comes the delivery. Cross deflected over the goal line for a corner. And that has been cleared. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. Whittingham. And here's the chance to counter. Hoists it forward. And the weighted pass. Keeper's ball. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Forward it goes. Yeah, he's fouled him there. De La Peña. Boyd. Gunnarsson. Hit into the middle. And that's been levered clear. And that's been won straight back. Confirmation that there will be 4 minutes stoppage time. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. And it's been taken short. Oh, what a ball! Clearance and very necessary. Berg. Gone out for a throw-in. Norway can make their change now with a break in play.
Yeah, it was pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Done very well to intervene. And that is that. So they bask in their win, a genuinely professional performance, and the result which is well deserved. Final thoughts, Jim?
When you get free-flowing football out wide with consistent supply into the box, it brings excitement and entertainment to the proceedings. That was a brilliant display of good wing play for me.